Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Now I'm going to share with you this new functionality of Gemini application. So after the release of Gemini 3.0 Pro preview model, the Gemini app also got upgraded. And you can see here, there is a functionality called dynamic view. Without checking the detailed documentation, I just go directly to test it. So I'm going to first of all, prompt the model to make a new instance. In the meantime, we're going to go to my previously tried case and check the results, okay? So I'm going to say, riding a bike along the river north of Lake Garda. Yeah, this is just a cycling trail, which is next to the Lake Garda in Italy. So I'm going to see how it will create this dynamic view. In the meantime, let's go back to the instance I just made before. So this instance is walking through the snows in the winter. And you can see it actually created this dynamic view. It's like a web page, and there are some dynamic elements here. You can see there is a title part and the description, like interactive journeys through the code. Then you are going to see also this elegant quote from someone. I don't know this person. And there is some snowy effect in the background. And here you can choose your path. You can choose a silent forest. You can begin walk. You can take some walk. You will change the image. And you are going to hear the sound of your step. In the meantime, if you want, you can also play sound, background sound, but I think it's kind of rough, not very crispy clear, and maybe it's just some simulation of the background noise. Then, like the city light, and this is another scenario. Take a walk, and also read these texture informations. And then, like this one, mountain ridge. It's quite interesting. It just takes you to the mountain. And this one is Cervino, very famous mountain in Italy, and also in Switzerland. And you can take a look at these different sceneries. Very interesting. And here, there are also some tips like walk like a penguin. The safest way to navigate the icy patches is to mimic our Antarctic friends. Very interesting and cute. And there are some detailed steps, like detailed suggestions. And here you can see there is a winter gear check. Do you have the base layer to wear, mid layer, waterproof shell, traction, like checklist, right? So this is what it created with my prompt. So walk in the snowy days. I think this mountain ridge part was actually invented on the fly, which was not included in my prompt. So let's come back to the prompt I just showed you. So it made this landing page very interesting, and I would like to say it is beyond my expectation. You can see here from Lake Garda to the moonscape, a stunning 25-kilometer journey following the Sarka River north. Experience medieval castles, Roman bridges, and the unique glacial Maroc landscape. I'm not sure if this picture is accurate because I'm quite familiar with all the landscapes on the north side of Garda. It is in the Trentino Alto Adige region. And so I cannot verify this at this moment, but in general, you can see there are some people cycling here, and there is a river. Yeah, these are quite similar to the real situation, and you can see there's a cycling trail. It is super flat and wide, which is quite rare in Italy. And you can see there are some metrics describing this trail, and there is a road highlight showing you that there are different places to visit. On the right hand side, you can see there is a Google map with the location tag in different places, like the first place. Okay, when you click, it kind of zoom in, shows some details. You go to the next one, shows some details and a very nice picture. These picture styles are quite unique and consistent. You can see they are like anime. They're like cartoons, sorry. Yeah, but here it changed a little bit, right? This is like a real picture. Take a look. Yeah, it's like a real picture. It's not like AI generated. And the final destination. Okay, this one is like a real picture. Yeah, yeah. I cannot verify where the pictures come from, but for sure, like the first one, largely it might be generated by AI. And if we zoom back again, we can see the whole picture. We start from the north side of Lago Garda and go all the way in the deep place. It's called Sake, north of Garda. That's quite interesting, and it showed you some place you can visit the castle. You can go to the vineyards. Yeah, that's quite interesting. Then going down, we can see here is a current location, um, the temperature, like a Riva del Garda. This is a place, and I think it only shows this place. Okay, with the weather information, and it also has some additional notes here. Then there is the bike rental tips, very handy and useful. It's like recommended shops. You can go to this one or this one, but when you click, it does not go to that place. Yeah, maybe you can further improve. And you see here are some pro tips. Start early and so on. If we click view all, okay, it actually guides you to the real website, which is created um, by the regional association or company. I think it's an external website. You can take a look. Yeah, that's about it. So basically, this functionality is just providing you a new way to create an immersive and interactive UI experience on the journey that you want to explore. At this moment, I only have these. Maybe we can further explore, like some educational cases, some other maybe showing you some news and so on. I'm going to explore in the later stages and share with you. I wish you like this video. If you enjoy this video, find it useful, please give it a like, share with your friends, make some comments. These will help me improve my channel and keep on creating new contents. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.